we have the Nepali secondary school boys contingent led by
Ka district administration jong ka Bhoi district ha ka khatsan tarik nailar arajar arpholai kala rakhe ka lingkhu sngi lai loit kari India hamadan NSCA paham siem ha ka belawan ban Sakhi daki hajar ngut ki pat ba jong ka dong mat ka than Bhoi district ha ka ni ka sngi lawan shimbenta da uba Kyrmen Shylla menteri katanat revenue jong ka sorkar jela uba Meral Bon siem MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Charles Marngar MLA Mauhati constituency ki officer nalor ki weipat haba keren ha ka ni ka sngi menteri ulak keren halor shibun ki mat kentup ru ya ka jinge keren khaput hapadeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam ulak keren ru ya ka jingtri shitom ki sorkar ban bu no ya ki police outpost ha ki jaga khaput hadin ka jingyo ban thung ya ki siajar tam ki samla ki badang thung kam thmai ha ka tanat pulit ulak keren ru halor ka jingele shitom ka sorkar ban wanra ya ka jingsuk ling ba ka jinge keren bat ka seng kyang atiar ka neutrap National Liberation Council bat ki wei de ki kam ki ba ka sorkar kalale ha ka ni ka sngi la yo iru ya ka jingshim benta shit rehem ki skul ling ba ki jingshat ki jingruai bat ka match pass ha ka ba ya ka match pass la job da ka JNV nyang bari boys contingent ha ka kerdan ka baningkong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo girls contingent ha ka kerdan ka baar bat ka Saint Mary's Secondary School Nongkra girls contingent ha ka kerdan ka balai kat bah ka cultural program la job da ka Morning Star Higher Secondary School Nongpo ha ka kerdan ka baningkong ka Saint Mary's Secondary School Nongkra ha ka kerdan ka baar bat ka Oasis English Secondary School ha ka kerdan ka balai ha ka ni ka sngi la don ru ka jing ai khusnam bat sirnat shika umsning CHC kum ka best performing CHC ha jilla Meghalaya kat ba ka Barnihat PHC kum ka best performing PHC ha Bhoi district ka Yaonger sub center kum ka best performing HWCSC la ai khusnami ki sub center ki ba biang ka rukom treikam ha ka ba ka umsaw nongkhrai health and wellness center ha ka kerdan ka baningkong ka Pahambur Health and Wellness Centers ha ka kerdan ka baar ha ka ni ka sngi la IT ru e ka pisa shikidkhot jong ki village organization jong barok south li ki block ha Bhoi district bat ka ni ka song pisa ka balakot shaka point news pa south san krur tingka.
We also respectfully remember the sacrifice made by the martyrs from the armed force, paramilitary force and police force of our country who have laid down their lives in protecting the rule of law. This year finds us at a unique juncture of history. As India assumes the G20 presidency, our country is poised to provide leadership to the community of G20 nations. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for us to forge new partnerships in the field of development, sustainability, and climate resilience. The overall law and order situation in the state was by and large peaceful. To augment the police force, a total of 1,010 police personnel have been recently appointed. The government has approved the creation of 7 border outposts in the Assam border to strengthen policing in the border areas. The government has also recently approved the creation of the Directorate of Forensic Science to strengthen the forensic capability in the state, which will improve prosecution and conviction of criminal cases. We are also in the process of improving the police infrastructure, including the creation of police housing in the district. The peace talks between the HLLC, Government of India and the state government is making steady progress. The formal talks have already started, and the state government is hopeful that engagement with the HLLC will soon fructify into a resolution bringing lasting peace across the state. Last year, we signed a historic MOU with the state of Assam in presence of the Union Home Minister as first step towards resolving the Meghalaya-Assam interstate boundary dispute. Our government is committed to resolving the dispute in the remaining 6 areas of differences: Lampi, Bordwar, Longba, Maupamur, Desh Dongya, Block 1, Block 2, and share happily. To that, our Chief Minister has had a meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam on 24 May 2023. The regional committee that have been formed for the six areas of difference have already conducted multiple meetings and have also met their Assam counterpart to take the talks forward. Agriculture is a key sector for our economy. Our vision has been to double farmers' income by focusing on agriculture, horticulture, livestock, fisheries, and sericulture. We have been taking up many programs for the benefits of our farmers. Under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, almost 2 lakhs farmers in the state have received financial support under Pradhan Mantri Fisal Bima Yojana.
Approaching this meeting dais now to take the salute is the Morning Star Higher Secondary School Boys contingent under the command of Mr. Shylla.
Taking the salute now is the girls contingent of Morning Star Higher Secondary School under the commander Bhoi. Arriving the saluting dais is the boys contingent of St. Paul Higher Secondary School led by Commander Debojit Das. Taking the salute now is the boys contingent of St. Mary's Secondary School Nakra led by Commander Levelas Nongrum. Following behind is the girls contingent of St. Mary's Secondary School, Nongkra, under the command of Balarisha Lingdor.
Approaching the saluting dais now is the Nongkra Secondary School under the command of Mr. Arun Kaur Bhakti. Following closely, we have the side contingent is led by Lieutenant Nayak Shwati Suchang of the District Training Center, Ryngkat, Bhoi District, Longpor. Approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Bhoi Scouts with its commander, Mr. Jason B. Nongkling. Approaching the saluting dais, take the salute now is the Bhoi Guides under the command of Ms. Napi Banroy Shylla.